don't know about the rest of you guys, but I've been wanting to try this scent for a good time, so that's why I decided to get a sample. From what I read, it's not a blind buy safe, so I figured I would just get a sample and go from there. You guys can see, let me unpackage it here. Arabian Tonka, and here, open this. Here we go, here's a little sample of it. And let's go try it on. Alright everybody, this is the little sample that I got. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, that smells really nice. Wow, I can't believe it. Some are very strong. This one seems to be strong right off the bat, and I'm looking forward to trying it. Are there any other samples that I should be trying of different fragrances? Please leave them down in the comments. I look forward to it. I also did an unboxing of Mancera red tobacco sample that I received, and I will leave that as a follow-on video. Thank you guys very much.